Hello, my name is Jonathan Brown. I'm going to be doing over my county, which is El Paso. El Paso County is located in the West Texas. Is the fourth largest county in Texas, behind Fort Worth, Houston, and San Antonio. When I was doing my community scan, there's a lot of things that I found very interesting. The main thing about it was the poverty line. The reason why I found this so interesting is because out of the population of 600 and I believe 600 and 662,000 people, approximately 121 people actually live below the poverty line. This surprising me is because that is about 21-22% of El Paso County living in poverty. And among that, women between the ages of 18 and 26 are actually living below the poverty line. And the exact number is 675,000 and 149,000 people are living below the poverty line, which compared to the national average is about 14. The wages, it didn't really shock me because of how society is today. How, of course, men always get paid more for some reason, and women get paid less. In El Paso County, the median income is $43,200. The median income for men is $64,027, and for women it is $45,764. So you're looking at a difference about almost $20,000 difference from a male to a female. The reason why this is kind of a big shocker is because of the amount of people we get here in El Paso. I do live in a border city, so a lot of people from Juarez actually do come over and get an education. Most people don't understand that the people from Mexico, they actually come over to America to actually get an education. About 90% of El Paso has a high school diploma, which means that around 13,000 people don't have a college education. But the thing that shocked me the most was the amount of college degrees. Last year, the University of Texas at El Paso graduated 13,718 graduates, which 8,383 were actually female, and 5,334 were actually male. And the one that was kind of shocking was the degree. It was in liberal arts and science. For me, it was one of those things where it's kind of like confusing to see. El Paso, yes, we do live in a desert, but we're a strong community when it comes to water conservation. Water conservation is very, very big since water is very, very scarce here. Overall, my reflection of the community scan was actually pretty great for me because I actually found a lot more information about El Paso that I really wouldn't look up, But when you go and look up all these things and you see like how much of an impact a city has on a county, it makes a big difference.